Hello everyone, today in this guide I'll show you how to fix the controller not working in Resident Evil Requiem on Windows PC. If your controller isn't being detected, not responding, or the game isn't or is ignoring your inputs, follow this solution one by one. First, adjust your Steam input settings, open Steam, right-click on the game in your library, go to Properties, open your controller tab, try disabling distinct input, relaunch the game and test your controller. If it still doesn't work, enable the Steam input instead and check again. Some players report that simply switching the settings fixes the issue. If that doesn't solve it, open Device Manager from the Start menu, expand Human Interface Devices. If you see extra devices such as gaming keyboards, mice, or brand-related input device like Razer or Keyron entries, temporarily disable them. This sometimes conflict with controller detection. After disabling, relaunch the game. You can re-enable them after playing. Next, disconnect unnecessary external devices, unplug extra keyboards, gaming keypads, USB dongles, racing wheels, pedals, flight sticks, arcade sticks, USB adapters, additional controllers, even virtual controller software can interfere. So disable or uninstall virtual input tools if you have them installed. If you're using a wireless, switch to a wired connection. Connect your controller directly to your PC using a USB cable and then launch the game. If you already wired, try switching to Bluetooth instead. You should also manually select your preferred controller in Windows, search for Setup USB Game Controllers in the game search bar and open it. Click Advanced and choose the controller you want to use as a preferred device. Apply the changes and test again. For PlayStation controller users, installing the UDS for Windows can help. This software allows Windows to properly recognize PlayStation controllers by emulating Xbox input. Install it, configure your controller, and then launch the game. Make sure your controller firmware is updated. If you're using an Xbox controller, download the Xbox Accessories app from the Microsoft Store. Connect your controller via USB, open the app, and check for firmware update. If an update is available, install it and restart your PC. From there, start the game, check if the controller works properly. Big picture mode often improves controller compatibility. One of these solutions should get your controller working again. Go through them step by step, and you'll most likely resolve the issue. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next.